Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ben from Bold Slate. I wanted to make this video because most people overcomplicate what SEO is. Search engine optimization. They overcomplicate it. I'm talking specifically to electricians, but this applies the same to plumbers, HVAC, etc. I'm going to show you what it's like in Boulder, Colorado. Kind of a medium-sized town, small to medium-sized. Definitely not anywhere near close as big as Denver or New York City or Chicago, anything like that. But my guess is that most of you watching, you're probably in a smaller region, okay, a smaller city. When I search for electrician near me, I want to show you how not competitive it is, because there's a lack of electricians everywhere, okay? And same for plumbers, same for HVAC. It's making it super easy to get a bunch of calls off Google. It's easier than ever before. That's what I'll say now, okay? Let me show you the ranking on maps. I typed in electrician near me, okay? So if you're a customer, you're probably coming down and you're probably going to say, okay, here are my main options for who to call. Now this guy is an ad, so we're going to ignore him. We're going to ignore Blue Sky. They're a big company. That's an advertisement. Not the same as these guys. They're all showing up for free. They're not paying a dime to show up in these results, and they're really high up on Google. So if somebody searches this, they're very likely to click one of these people. Okay, they might even go down here and click these people or find somebody off Angie's, whatever, okay? These results are prime real estate, and they're not very competitive right now in Boulder. I want to show you this. If I go to more businesses, this guy's ranking first. He's got 33 reviews. He doesn't even have a location for me to get directions to. He's doing a service territory-based thing, but he only has Boulder marked, okay? So he's not a physical location. He's just doing service area is to set to Boulder. He's got no photo up here, no logo, nothing. His website, it's an okay looking website. It's not terrible. He's got his service territories in there, and he's got his main keyword for electrician. That's good. So he's doing kind of the bare minimum with his website. He's doing the bare minimum with having a service territory and not a physical location. And, you know, it's a poorly optimized profile at best. Okay, he's got some services written down, but he doesn't have much information on here. No Q&A section, none of that stuff, no updates. He's got 33 reviews. How long would it take you to get 33 reviews if you asked every customer you did work for going forward? Probably like 3-4 weeks if you're kind of busy. Maybe 2 weeks if you're really busy. If you asked every customer and they left you a 5-star review, you could have as many reviews as this guy who's been in business for 10 plus years. He's been in business for 10 years. He's gotten 3 reviews per year over the last 10 years. Okay, that's crazy. He is so beatable, okay, in this position. Yet he's getting so many phone calls from people who are in Boulder needing electrical work. Okay, they're calling this guy the most. He's ranking first right there. All right. Let's go to the next guy. This guy, 63 reviews, twice as many reviews as the other guy, and they have a better website. I think I've already checked these people out, but they've got a website that says electrician in Boulder, Colorado, in an H1 tag. Okay, this is the most important thing for your website. Have your main keyword just like this on your homepage. Okay, let's continue. These people, Uptown Electric, 18 reviews, half as many as the top guy, a quarter as many as the second guy. And they have no website. They don't have a website at all. They're ranking third. They're showing up on page 1 of Google with no website. Can you believe that? Can you believe it? I bet you they're booked out for 3 or 4 weeks from the calls off of Google alone. They have no website. 18 reviews. 10 plus years in business. They're getting 1 to 2 reviews per year. Okay? These guys are a little bit further north. That's why they're not showing up nearly or in the top 3 results, because I'm down here in Boulder. So a big thing for these results is how close you are to the other businesses. The ones who are closest to you will show first. Okay? All these guys up here are going to show later on. All right. So these guys are kind of just further away from me. 43 reviews. How long would it take you to get 43 reviews? Shouldn't take you very long. These guys have a low rating, 16 reviews, 3.2 stars. That's a sign of a bad business. If you have a 3-star average, probably doing something seedy. These guys, 5 reviews, okay? These people, like, we're not even that far down here, right? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is still visible on Google. The 8th position is still visible. They have 2 1-star reviews and not even a real website. This is a Merchant Circle profile. If you can get at least 2 1-star reviews and have no real website, you can rank on Google. You're going to rank on Google. So if you take all the things I'm sharing with you on this channel and you take today to go and implement all the ways to fully optimize your Google business profile, okay, get a website up and running. You can do it yourself nowadays. You don't even need to hire us. You don't even need to. To get on this page, you don't even need to. Now, if you want to rank for more than just one location, then you probably need a better website, okay? But in this case, just get something up and running with your phone number. Super simple. And put this on the main keyword, electrician services in Boulder. Boom. You can beat this guy. You can start showing up in the top 4 or 5 results. Ask for reviews from your customers. That's SEO. That's how simple this can be. You ask for reviews. You have a basic website, and you've fully completed this whole profile. You can rank on this in a matter of weeks. It's that simple. SEO is not so complicated, especially for electricians or local service businesses. All right, so we got this guide we made, the Electrician's SEO Handbook. Now, this could apply even if you're a plumber, HVAC, roofer, it doesn't really matter. But this guide is going to show you everything you need to know to start beating these guys who are just stumbling onto these Google results. They're just stumbling onto it, okay? Let me show you more about this guide. You can get this completely for free if you leave your first name and email on the link below. I'm going to email it to you and you can get it for free. So this breaks down all the places you can show up on Google and how important each section is. So 29% of people who search on Google are coming to these map pack like I just showed you. Look, Roy's Electric. I took this screenshot just from here. It's going to show you all the most important things by percentage of what you should be doing, what you should be focusing on to rank higher. Everything is included in this guide. It's super simple, and plus there's links to more videos that are going to be really helpful for you later on in the road when you're doing each of these things. So you don't need an SEO agency to rank, to stumble upon these results. You don't need one. It's really simple. We made this guide for you to go and do it yourself for free. Go and do these things. Go and do all these things today, right? Do all this stuff today. It's easy, okay? You do these things, you're going to start ranking higher and getting more calls. Each call could be worth as much as $10,000. At the low end, probably $300. But wouldn't you want to get 10 to 20 more calls per month? Of course you do. So go and do these things and start ranking, and let me know if this video was helpful. And like and subscribe for more videos just like this. We're going to be real with you. We're going to tell you the facts. Okay, we're a marketing agency ourselves, and I'm telling you, you don't even need us to do all this stuff, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.